I'm gonna be honest with you, you don't look like you were born in '89.
I mean, I'm happy everybody say that, but oh, I don't understand. Okay.
Without looking at your phone. You don't know the person's last name you live with?
This is my sister's sister. So you want my sister's name? I can give you my
What's your sister's name? What's your sister's name?
I just told you my sister's name.
If you call the number on the back of this debit card, it goes to a shoe manufacturer.
So it's fake?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Hi, how are you, ma'am?
Hello.
Hey, I'm Officer Fraudulent VP. I've got a body cam on. We got called out here for like a problem with your account or something like that. Are you? Is it your account that you're trying to open up a phone under, or are you trying to open it up on some?
No, I already have an account.
Okay.
But why am I getting called on?
So it's something to do with the phone being under somebody else's account that you're opening up, and it's like a 20-year-old account. Do you have your ID on you?
No. What are they talking about?
So whose name is the account under?
Mine.
It's under your name?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is my phone that the call got sent to. I'm not. They just asked to speak to him. She said, put him on speaker. He put him on speaker. I told him I'll come back tomorrow because they're finna close.
Okay.
That's my only problem. This is my phone. I didn't call in or anything.
Okay.
They said allow. I clicked allow. I've been had the service for a long time.
Okay, same phone number and everything?
Yes.
Okay, how long have you had Verizon as your carrier?
Like 2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
Okay, do you have your ID on you?
Yes. It's in the, let me get it out the car.
Or you're good. You don't have to go out there. I'll just take your name, date of birth. Who's in the car?
My friend.
Your friend? Okay. So the account is all under your name and everything like
Yes,
that?
yes.
Okay. What's your last name? 10-4. What's his name?
I don't know. I just met him. He's a no friend.
Okay.
On January 11th, 2024, officers responded to a Verizon Wireless store in suburban Illinois. What made this call unusual was not the fraud itself, but the phone number printed on the back of the suspect's debit card. When the officer dialed that number, the line answered as a shoe factory.
Look, I just came in town for New Year's. I've been here since New Year's. I'm going to go home. I'm just here to get it. I was getting my friend to get
Okay. Where's your ID out there?
in the car.
Where at?
Probably in that cup holder. In the cup holder.
She has to check the cup holder.
Oh my God, my stomach is sick.
Do you have a picture of your ID?
No, oh, let me look.
Do you have anything on your account that helps? Because I'm not getting anything back for that name, okay? I'm going to be honest with you, you don't look like you were born in '89.
I mean, I'm happy everybody say that, but oh, I don't understand. Okay.
Did you give them ID?
No, I gave him my phone number and he sent the code to my phone. I literally didn't even make it far.
Okay.
I just made it to right now, and then I got on the phone with the credit line. She has a hold on my account. So
Okay.
like, she sent the code to my phone. She sent the code. I allowed it. Then that was it.
Okay. You keep looking for like something with your name on it? Mm-hmm. And then is that an old phone that you have there?
This is like my hairline, and this is like my regular phone.
Okay. Do you have like anything on either one of those?
Let's see.
And you're being truthful about your name?
Yes.
Okay. What's your social?
What's up with my social?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm not getting a return on your name.
So I give you my social.
Yeah, I'm not going to do anything with it, but I'm going to try to confirm your identity. How long have you lived at?
Like 2 years.
2 years?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Does anybody live there with you?
I live with someone.
Who do you live with?
My sister's sister. So
What's her name?
what's her last name?
Without looking at your phone. You don't know the person's last name you live with?
This is my sister's sister. So you want my sister's name? I can give you my
What's your
sister's
sister's name? What's your sister's name?
I just told you my sister's name.
You don't have anything in your purse with your ID on it?
No, my mama just sent me something now.
Do you have like a credit card or a debit card?
No.
You don't have any credit card or debit card?
No, I left my, because this purse is so small, I have like a little wallet, well the wallet is kind of big, and it's crazy, I literally left my wallet at home. I'm like, damn, I don't got my wallet on me.
So how would you open the phone line?
Because I already had service, so they sent the code to my phone. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
This was my issue. Like literally, when he sent the code, it just said allow or deny. I allowed access to my account.
Okay.
So my account was fully into. He just told me how many lines I have. He just told me it's a lot of Androids on here. I said, yeah, my family love Androids. I don't know why. He said he's gonna. Yeah.
Okay. And you don't know this guy?
Yeah, he's my friend.
What's his name?
We just met.
Chambers, what was that guy's first name in the truck? Alright. So the only problem that I have is none of the story kind of makes sense as to what's going on, okay? Because he's providing a totally different name.
Right, I was just gonna say, I heard somebody, I just met him.
Okay.
So we
But then you're like having him bring you to the store and stuff?
yeah, because I lost my car.
Okay.
My car is down.
All
So I
right.
gotta get around. It's cold outside. Uber is fine, so I asked him, could he drive me around?
All right. You good?
I'm all right.
Okay. Just hang on with her for 1 sec. I'll be right back. You heard that she gave a fake name, obviously, because none of their shit added up. So he's got her real name. I'm gonna talk with staff and see if there's like any money or anything like that's associated with this one female that.
For like a theft, you thinking?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't even know what it will be, other than like a fraud type deal. But I need to figure out if there's like been any money.
So they were at Apple here in Woodfield and then Deer Park like hours apart today. 350.
What names are on their receipts?
It doesn't say. It's just like they bought. The price here is the same thing that they're trying to do here.
They're
But
just trying to get phones.
Yeah, and then they sell them.
All right.
But I'm not so sure that this vehicle like doesn't have fake shit on it.
Did you check the VIN?
No, not yet. So he's saying that the vehicle comes back to his mom. But
All I really have right now is like attempted theft, I think, and obstructing ID or obstructing.
What,
For him, I don't have any.
yeah, nothing.
She was in here saying she was. That's the person that actually has the account. But she's like, more than 89.
How does she know Donald?
she just said she told me it was a fake name. She just made it up.
No. He's a fake name because the address that she does. So this guy said that people like that do these things can get the account holder's information online, and they come into the store to try to open a line.
Go ahead.
And their name and finance a phone, and then they'll have an $1,100 phone that's financed. So basically, they just come in to get the phone, to sell the phone. Mm-hmm. Cool. What was your first name? What is it? Kamala. Okay, you're under arrest. Go and pop up for me.
What am I under arrest for?
Attempted theft over
And lying about your name.
and line about your name.
The legal framework here begins with Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968. Terry permits a brief investigative detention whenever specific articulable facts suggest criminal activity may be afoot. Loss prevention had already flagged an in-progress account takeover before officers even arrived on scene. That single fact satisfies reasonable suspicion at the moment of first contact. As inconsistencies accumulate, that suspicion ripens into probable cause under Illinois versus Gates. Gates instructs courts to weigh the totality of the circumstances, never isolated facts in a vacuum. Under Illinois law, providing a false name during a lawful detention is itself a separate criminal offense. 720 ILCS 5, Section 31-4.5 criminalizes obstructing identification. The underlying scheme fits 720 ILCS 5, Section 16-30, the Illinois Identity Theft Statute. That statute punishes even the attempt to obtain credit using another person's identifying information. Completion of the fraudulent transaction is not a required element of the offense. The fraudulent debit card converts this case from simple attempted theft into forgery and possession of a fraudulent instrument. Once probable cause matured, the search of the suspect's person was authorized under Chimel versus California. But Riley versus California draws a hard line. The physical phones can be seized, their contents cannot be searched without a warrant.
Here, take your purse off. Pop your hand behind your back. So my assumption is that there was more stuff done up north. Okay. Yeah, where the other receipts are out of. So if that's the case, I'm sure that they're gonna have cases on you as well. If there's other accounts and stuff that you've. Okay.
Is this your phone too? Okay, I only got one that's
Wow. It's like $300, $400.
And you can't explain to me what you're doing and why you're doing it, so I'm just going to assume like worst case scenario, right? The phone that you said is yours. This one. this 15 and this 10 that was in your back pocket, you said is yours, which was purchased today at an Apple up in Chicago. Right. So you see like how none of this makes sense? It makes sense, but we're not getting the full story, right?
What's your first name again?
Camilla.
He wants your mom's number. Do you want him to have your house keys?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your relationship with him?
My friend. No, for real, you keep saying it.
You
Yeah.
guys live together?
No.
Alright, your friend you don't know the last name of?
No. No, it's crazy.
Man, you're a bad liar.
So whose phone is this? Is this your phone?
He just brought that into me.
Hey, will you ask him if this is his phone?
You want to work or talk?
No.
Do you want to talk to the detective?
I'll talk to the detective.
Yeah.
I'm like,
About this?
a lawyer?
No, the
Detective.
Who's the detective? Y'all gotta help out.
You want to try to help yourself out at
So
all?
basically, what we're going to do is, where we're at, I think you have committed identity theft, fraud, possibly forgery, and then whatever happened here today. So if we talk to a detective, we can explain things. I went in this phone. She's saying this is her phone.
Possession of fraudulent ID as well, then, huh?
Yep.
Where are you actually from?
Chicago, Illinois.
Chicago? You never lived down here?
I'll be back and forth though.
Alright.
So you talked with right?
Mm-hmm.
If you call the number on the back of this debit card, it goes to a shoe manufacturer.
So it's fake?
Yeah, so I wanted to swipe that because if it comes up with numbers, then it's a fake card too. Like you can load those
Load
cards.
money.
Well, you can load debit card numbers on those, but I need a card reader.
We get one of service here. I think the other one is at task force.
Alright.
That is this phone.
Did you just get the serial numbers off of them?
Yep.
Okay. This is...
This is this phone.
Have you tried to make any calls on these to, like, people?
Yeah, I'm waiting on Kathy to call me back.
On this phone?
Yep.
Is that the owner of this phone?
Yeah.
Or this line?
This line, because no one on... This is not her phone.
Yeah.
So was he not able to tell us anything about this?
No, he says once it goes to like an Apple store, it's just pretty much wide open for anybody.
Alright, yeah, let's go to CID. I think that's the best bet. And then, since you have been working on the phone, I can transport her there. Do you want to call Violet or do you want me to? Or do you want to?
I just figured we're going to PD. I'll just talk to him there.
Okay. Watch your step. Then you go to the squad car right here.
The investigating officer earns an A- for methodical questioning and clean, incremental probable cause development. The suspect earns a D passive compliance without ever invoking counsel is the worst possible middle ground. Verizon loss prevention earns a full A for pattern recognition and disciplined evidence preservation. Two lessons stand out here. Silence is a constitutional right, but passive answers to identifying questions do not invoke it. And retail fraud is almost never a single store event coordinated pattern recognition is what actually closes these cases. Let us know in the comments below which police court interaction you would like us to analyze next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.